Good morning, SK.
Good morning, SK.
Welcome back, SK.
Good morning, South.
Chips and salsa, get him in the head with the big kielbasa. Put him in the oven, turn up the heat. SK Wolves, it's time to eat. Woo!
Welcome back from spring break, SK, in the last week of third quarter. Hopefully you got plenty of rest because this week we're going to be going fast. To start with the quarter ending, turnaround days are back. This is mainly for online students. You can pick up and return books and supplies this Wednesday from 7 to 11 a.m. and noon to 6 p.m. You can do the same April 24th. Us Flex students will have time this week and next to turn in books and pick up books while we are in the building. And remember to turn your books in now.
Hi everybody, Mark Reply here again with, well, book room news. With third quarter coming to an end, you should turn in books that you don't need for fourth quarter. This includes books that you might still have from first or, well, second quarter. Make sure to turn in those books soon so you don't get fines later. And also, so you don't miss the school's bad side. Like that.
You know, every time I see Mark get hit with a book, I can't help but laugh. Not sorry, Mark. Seniors, the next graduation parade meeting is tomorrow at Christian Life Center in town. You can also join via Zoom. It all kicks off at 6 p.m. If you can't help plan the parade, make sure to come to the grad gear pickup Wednesday. Johnston's will be handing out caps, gowns, and more Wednesday from 11 to 2. As you come through, make sure to stay in your car. If you have any questions, call the number on screen. Also, Wednesday is the last day to turn in your audition form to be a part of the graduation. See Mrs. Caston or Mr. Lyon if you would like to perform. And finally, seniors, the class photo is coming up. It will be held on Friday, April 30th. As it is a Friday, 8th through K seniors will need to show up at the football stadium entrance. Remember, you must complete your wellness check before you are allowed into the field. There is even more senior news, which you can find out in the senior grade level classroom or by finding the senior newsletter on the high school website. We have Connor McKinley with an update about the student store.
Hey SK, did you know that the student store is open during lunches again? Although we aren't selling our cookies or froyo, we have some new SK merch and prepackaged snacks and drinks. We take card and cash and are hoping to see you. Back to you in the studio.
Thanks. And Connor, if you have any leftover cookie dough, DM me later, okay? In other class news, the class of 2022 is selling cool SK Wolf keychains for only $5. Buy yours today at the ASB window. If you are interested in SPU and the University of Pacific, check your grade level classroom for the Zoom meeting tomorrow. Got questions? Check with Ms. Nass in the Career Center. Looking forward to Season 3 sports? Be sure to register for your sport and make sure your physical is current. May 3rd is the official start date. Girls and boys lacrosse will start April 19th. For you wrestlers, weight certifications will be this Thursday after school. Wear a singlet underneath your shorts and t-shirt and make sure you're hydrated. All wrestlers will need to be certified before you can wrestle in a match this season. Previous season matches start today and will be held on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays after weights going forward. In order to participate, your paperwork must be filled out on the athletics website. If you have any questions, please see Coach Nass. As for other SK sports, Fast Pitch stayed blazing hot over spring break. They are currently undefeated. They have a game at home today. Baseball is second in the league after just coming off of a 10-0 win over Curtis. Men's soccer is still going strong, and as you saw in the Open, men's swim and dive is mixing things up and taking a dip. You can catch them live this Thursday on our YouTube channel. Some other things you can see on our YouTube channel are classic PSAs starring, Borat?
Hello, my name is Borat. I like you and I like a South. It is nice. This says, please no liquids, no lids. I will teach him how to recycle properly. First of all, you have a liquid in your bottle, so you must unscrew the cap. This is a cap. And then you will pour the liquid in the fountain. screw. No, you do not screw the cap. This is the disposable cap. And then now you go recycle. Very nice. I like it.
Well, South, you heard it. Make sure to recycle just like Borat. But one thing you should check out is our Wolf Tracks archive. Over 140 episodes that highlight South and the community from as far back as 1998. The last episode goes live this Wednesday, so check it out. Well, that's it for me, Connor. Director, you know what to do.